know I've been hitting you guys with the drink reviews. Today we actually got a food review. So should be pretty new and exciting. I didn't want to spend as much as I did, but I did, sadly. So hopefully they're good. All right, guys, so this is actually the same day that I bought this from the last review, my Polar Grapefruit. But I figured I didn't spend enough money. So we got these super overpriced Blue Diamond chips. They weren't the most overpriced, shockingly, but per ounce they probably are, because I spent like $4.30 on this. And if you can see the ounces, which you can't, it's $4.25. So it's more than $1 per ounce for these chips. Like, what world have we come to, bro? I gotta work like 25 minutes to afford these chips. But yeah, we're gonna try these. The glare is horrible here, but these are the Blue Diamond. We can flip it around here. These are the Blue Diamond almonds, almond nut thins, pepper jack cheese flavor. Made with real almonds. So I don't know if these are like made with almonds. Well, I guess it says they are, but like, what are they, just tortilla chips? Like, obviously there's corn, right? Rice flour, almonds, but also corn. I don't know. I guess it's mostly rice then, and then also with some almonds. I don't know, bro. This is like vegan white, like Catholic mom food, but hopefully it's good. All right, I'm gonna pop these open. The lighting here is so bad. It's like the most glary possible. Like, it's so sunny today. It was freezing this morning, like 40 degrees. And now it's like 80. All right, so we got this MRE looking bag. I guess normally you don't take the bag out with chips. But we are today because I chose to. Look how this is reflecting all around the whole car. Look at that. It's like a disco ball. All right. Immediately, it smells horrible. It smells so bad. Oh my. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. These smell like trash, bro. It's so strong. It's such a strong odor. Like, it kind of smells like, I guess it's kind of nice. It's like a wet cardboard scent though. Mixed with like kind of like a mud flavor. But yeah, we'll pull one out. We'll try these. These are the pepper jack cheese flavor nut thins from Blue Diamond. See if it can focus without horrible lighting. No, it can't. It basically just looks like a disc of dirt, or like sand, like the surface you see at the beach is what this looks like. All right, guys, so off initial taste, just first impression, it's pretty good. They're actually quite nice. Overall, really good crunch. Like, the texture is really nice. The pepper jack cheese you don't really taste at all. At least I didn't in my first one. You can definitely taste the rice. Like, it tastes like it is a rice cracker. But you can kind of feel the texture of the almonds, like the almondness in it. I don't really know how they make it. It's like almond dust. I don't know, it's probably the shavings off of their actual almonds. So it's a very like gluten-free tasting flavoring on the cheese. Like, it tastes like it's like skim milk or something maybe. But it's a good flavor overall. I saw the Gouda ones and those actually looked better, but I just got these because I don't even know why, honestly. I just was like, Gouda is too good, so I gotta save that for later. Like, if these are good, then Gouda's gonna be like better, and then it'll be hyped up, you know, because I'll have no reason to get these if I just get the best one. That's my logic there. That probably makes no sense. These are pretty good. For cracker rating, I am a cracker, so I'm qualified to rate these. I think on a cracker rating, like, obviously it's better than like Ritz. I would rank this better than Triscuit. I would rank this better than Wheat Thins, but it's not amazing. It's better than club crackers, obviously. It's like in its own genre. Really, like this is a whole different kind of, like, is it a chip? Is it a cracker? You know, because it's so crunchy and nothing's like that, you know, except for Wheat Thins. But it's nothing like Wheat Thins because it's not wheat, it's rice. But I'm gonna eat one more, then I'll give it the number rating. I gotta be sure here. You know, I feel like my opinion was improved from that third cracker. They're definitely, like, all around, it goes down so smoothly, like it feels good to eat. Like, it's not like this disgusting, like, immediate sickness like there is with Doritos or Takis. And it's also, there's not like a huge flavor, but it's like your taste buds are still pleasured, if you know what I mean. I would recommend people trying these Nut Thins at least once. Whichever flavor sounds the best to you. I haven't had them all. I can't speak from experience. This is the only one I've ever had. But number scale now, I would give that a 7.5, which is a pretty good rating. That's a very good rating, because if 5 is average, giving that a 7.5, that's pretty generous. Especially judging by the fact those Polar Seltzers got a 3. I mean, they got like a 6 or something. I don't remember, for in normal condition when they're new. I don't remember. Just watch the video for that one if you care about that one. Point is, this is the highest thing I've rated so far. I'm giving this a 7.5. Very good all around. Feels nice. The flavor's not doing too much, but it's still like, it's a good balance. Texture overall is just carrying, like, really hard. Texture is great. And like, it doesn't get stuck in your teeth, despite it being like hard and crunchy, but it also doesn't, like, it's not like mushy or like soft. It's not like, it doesn't feel flimsy. You know, it feels like you're eating something that's like has nutrition, even if it actually doesn't. Like, it feels like it has good value to it. Also, I did a little bit of reading here. Surprise, surprise, it's a good source of sodium and carbs. No sugar though. But it also has only 2 grams of protein. So they basically took the almonds and took the skin with no protein and put that into this. And they were like, yeah, we're just gonna take the almonds, but without all of the protein that's in them. Because how is there 2 grams of protein in something that's called almond nut thins? Nuts are supposed to have protein. And I think rice does, like, barely. Rice is a carb, I guess. No cholesterol. 4 grams of fat. Where's that coming from? The cheese flavoring? That's a lot. You do get 0.3 milligrams of iron, 60 milligrams of potassium, and for some reason, 20 milligrams of calcium. Is that from the cheese flavoring too? How much flavoring did you put on this? That's crazy. Sea salt, corn, whey, dried green and red bell peppers, and Monterey Jack cheese. I don't know, bro. I'm not a food maker. I don't understand the ingredients or the nutrition facts. This is not good for you at all. This is not nutritious. Okay, don't go to this for source of nutrition. But as a snack, it's less bad for you than Doritos, less bad for you than Lay's chips, less bad for you than Takis, that's for sure, bro. Takis are horrible for you. Do not ever buy Takis, bro. The red 40, the amount of, bro, everything in Takis is horrible for you. I can't even name one thing. All of the oils, nah. Corn in general is bad for you. So rice is a good alternative, you know? Rice is better for you than corn. So, like, these aren't healthy, but at least they're less unhealthy. So that's a plus. So yeah, this is just a whole yap fest at the end, but overall 7.5 for Pepper Jack Nut Thins from Blue Diamond. So yeah, that's about it for this. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next review. Peace.